Want to view your Lorex security cameras remotely? It's easier than ever. This section will guide you through connecting your Lorex DVR to the Lorex Home app for convenient remote viewing. First, download and install the Lorex Home app, available on iOS and Android. Ensure your Lorex DVR is powered on and connected to your network, either via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Open the app and create an account or log in. Use the Add Device feature in the app to scan for your DVR. You can typically do this by scanning a QR code on the DVR or manually entering the device's IP address or P2P ID. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, which may involve entering your Wi-Fi credentials and enabling remote access. For optimal security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in the app settings. Now that your Lorex DVR is connected to the app, let's explore some important settings. If you experience connectivity issues, ensure your DVR's firmware is up to date. Most modern Lorex DVRs use P2P technology for easy connection, but older models might require port forwarding, ports 80 and 554, in your router settings. Consider using Lorex Cloud for off-site storage and increased reliability, although it may involve subscription costs. To optimize your viewing experience, adjust the video resolution in the app. Lowering the resolution, e.g. to 720p, can reduce lag, especially on slower internet connections. Explore the app's features, such as motion detection alerts and playback options. Also, be aware that remote viewing consumes data, so monitor your data usage if you're on a limited plan. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features and security enhancements.